Joy Ganesh. Hello students. Welcome to my English grammar class 9, chapter 10. Today let us discuss adverbs and adverbials. What is an adverb? What is its form and function, use and order of adverbs in the sentences. How things happen, adverbs tell slowly, quickly, badly, well. How things happen, adverbs tell slowly, quickly, badly, well.
Adverbs means adverb means we the words which add some meaning to the verbs are called adverbs. So you see adverbs, an adverb is a word which modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Take the example. The snail moves slowly. You see slowly modify the verb moves. So it is the modifier of a verb and is another verb. Radha is extremely beautiful and a beauty extremely is the modifier of the adjective beautiful. So it is a adverb. You came rather late. Late is a adverb and rather is the modifier of the adverb late. So rather is an adverb, modifier of an adverb. Luckily, no one was hurt. You see, luckily is the adverb and it is the modifier of the sentence. So, sentence modifier of sentence adverb. So, we have already discussed, we come to know that adverbs can modify a verb, can modify an adjective, can modify another adverb or a sentence. Okay, so adverbs are of four types. How can we find that adverbs in a sentence? How did he behave? If you ask the question, he behaved foolishly. How did he behave? Foolishly. Foolishly is the adverb. It is the adverb of manner because the question comes with the how. When did you visit Konark? The question is when to the verb visit. So I visited Konark last year and the question is when to the verb visit. So it is last year is the adverb of time. Where were the children playing? You see question where is there to the verb playing and they were playing there in the park, adverb of a place. How often does he come here? You see here he comes here occasionally every day, adverb of a frequency. So let us discuss and see the forms of adverbs and what are the forms, how the forms are made. How can we make the adverbs? Some adverbs have no special form. They are like soon, always, so, perhaps, never, just, yet, often, very, too, rather, etc. are the forms of adverb. They do not change and they are the same. No special form. Most adverbs of a manner are made by adding ly to the adjective. The meaning of the adverb so made is very closely related to the adjectives from the which they are made. For example, he is a quick worker. Quick is he is a quick worker. You see, quit is the adjective. He works quickly, meaning same. Here, quit. Shima is polite. She behaves so politely, meaning is the same. Polite and polite is the adjective, politely is the adverb. Okay, and there are some adjectives with ly like friendly, silly, sickly, lovely, lively, fatherly, motherly, manly, womanly, etc. We do not add another ly to these adjectives to form the adverb. We can change the adjectives to adverbial in the following manner. How? In a plus adjective plus manner plus fashioner way. Pintu is a friendly boy. Friendly is the adjective. Pintu behaves in a friendly manner. In a friendly manner is the adverb. We can't say Pintu behaves friendly. Okay. So you see some adverbs end in a word to show direction. How? The soldiers march forward, homeward, upward, downward, eastward, outward, like this. Some adverbs end in wise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, classwise. We distributed the work classwise. To close the bottle, turn the cap clockwise. Some adverbs are formed by adding a. afresh to the beginning of a noun or adjective. Let us begin the work afresh. Pull the curtain aside to one side. Manu read the poem aloud. Some other examples are along, across, ahead, around, abroad, a while. So this is how we can make adverbs from adjectives and nouns by adding a at the beginning. Okay. Some adverbs of manner have the same forms as the adjectives. Adjective, it is a fast train. You see, fast is the adjective. This train runs fast. Here, fast is also adverb and a meaning same. But here is the adjective and here is the adverb. He is a hard worker. Here is the adjective. He works hard. Hard is the adverb. The boss is late today. The boss arrived late today. Late is your adjective, adverb. I get a monthly electric bill. I pay the bill monthly. The adjective and adverb. You see, so let us discuss how can we differentiate or types of adverbs are there. We can ask questions how, when, where, so how often. If you ask question how, foolishly, sadly, badly, quickly, angrily, happily. These are the adverbs of manner. If you ask the question to the verb when, now, then, yesterday, today, last Monday, at 10 o'clock in the morning, tonight, etc. These are the examples of adverbs of time. When we ask where to the verb, the answer may come. Here, there, in the park, at school, in India, etc. And these are the adverbs of a place. We can ask the verb to question how often. Question answer may come. Occasionally, always, often, rarely, every week, sometimes, usually, never, etc. These are the adverbs of a frequency. So usually we do have four types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency. You see, let us discuss first types of adverbs. First, adverb of manner. An adverb of manner tells us how or the manner in which an action takes place. We walked slowly. They could easily find out the house. They ran fast to catch the train. This is the adverb of manner. Adverb of time means the adverb of time answers the question when or at what time. We go to school at 10 o'clock. Papu was ill yesterday. The train will arrive soon. He has just gone out. So 10 o'clock yesterday, soon, just. These are the adverbs and these are the adverbs of time. So let us discuss the adverb of place. Adverbs of place tell where the action takes place. The common adverbs of place are here, there, nearly, anywhere, inside, outside, upward, downward, upstairs, etc. The car turned left. Mr. Mishra lives upstairs. These are the left, upstairs. These are the examples of adverb of place. Adverb of frequency. Adverbs of frequency say how often a thing happens. For example, always, often, usually, normally, generally, sometimes, occasionally, ever, never. Example, for the example, I sometimes prefer tea. Mommy is always late for school. I sometimes play football. Have you ever been Kapilas? So sometimes, always, ever. These are the examples of adverb of frequency. So let us discuss adverbs of a degree. Some adverbs also tell us more about adjectives or adjective modifiers and others adverbs. They are called adverbs of degree. For example, adverbs with the adjectives, it is very cold today. Very modifies the adjective cold. So very is the adverb. They are absolutely right. Right is adjective and absolutely is the adverb because it modifies or tells about the adjective. So adverbs with the other adverbs, you came late. Late is the adverb. You came rather late. Rather is the modifier of the adverb late. So rather is the adverb. And he can run very fast. Fast is the adverb. And very is the modifier of the adverb. Fast. So very is also the adverb. So from this we know that adverbs may modify an adjective or an adverb. And some sentence adverbs are there. Some adverbs will give a viewpoint about the idea expressed in the entire sentence. These adverbs are called sentence adverbs. Example, unfortunately he lost the chance. Of course you can apply for the post. Unfortunately, of course, these are the examples of sentence adverbs. There are some words which are used as adverbs of manner or with or without ly, but their meanings differ. How? Hard. He works hard to pass the examination. Hard is the adverb of the verb works. And here hard means with great effort. But hardly means something different. He hardly comes here means almost not. You see, good and well, you know, good is adjective, well is adverb. How? The show was very good means good here is adjective. Mama dances well. Well is adverb here. You see, I think you have a clear-cut idea about what is an adverb and what are the forms of adverbs or how to make adverbs and what are the types of adverbs. Okay, now do the activity 1. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words from the brackets. I feel happy today. Here happy is adjective. A snail walks slowly. Here slowly is the adverb, a modifier of a verb walks. They are quite tired. This is adverb. And walk on the road carefully. Carefully the adverb. Luckily, we escaped unhurt. Sentence adverb. Mama drew a beautiful picture. You see, beautiful is adjective. They all acted well with the adverb. We reached school very late. The adjective. Reached adverb. She is probably right. You see, adverb. Pintu behaves in a friendly manner, not friendly. I think you have a clear-cut idea about the adverbs in the part 1. So you must attend the next class adverb and adverbials part 2 in which we learn something more. Thank you everybody.